Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can link TickTick with Notion. So there isn't any direct automation to link TickTick to Notion, but you can achieve this functionality using a third-party tool called Zapier. Go to Zapier, create an account if you don't have one already. Once you do that, it'll take you to this page. Here, simply press create button and then press Zaps button, and it will open up a editor page. So this is where you set up the automation between multiple applications. In this case, it is going to be TickTick and Notion. So there is a trigger and there's an action. In trigger, we have to select the app that will send data to another app. So I'm going to send data from Notion to TickTick, but you can do it the other way around. So simply select trigger and search for the app from which you want to send data to another app. In this case, I'm going to search for Notion. I'm going to select it. In the event, you can select the event that should start this automation. I'm going to select new database item. So whenever there's a new database item, this automation will be initiated or started, and it will run once. I'm going to press continue. It will ask me to sign in. Press sign in button. It will open up a new page, and here it will ask you to sign into your Notion and select relevant pages. So once you do that, all you have to do is now you have to click on action and search for the other app, which in this case is TickTick. I search for it and I click on it, and in the event, select what should happen in TickTick in response of this automation. So I'm going to select add a task. So what this automation is going to do is whenever there is a new database item in Notion, a task will automatically be added in TickTick. So I'm going to press continue, and it'll ask me to sign into my TickTick. Simply press sign in. Here, sign into your TickTick by entering your credentials, and once you do that, you're pretty much all done. Now you have to press this publish button on the top right corner, and once you press this publish button, your automation is live and it will start functioning. So that is how you connect TickTick with Notion. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.